Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. November 1st. It's officially Thanksgiving season. Yes, Thanksgiving season is upon us. It's here. Let's rejoice. Yesterday was a triumphant. I did the first meal of this current 3-ingredient challenge, and it came out wonderful. There's photographs on in the group. Check it out. I'll post the recipes today. Today, I am preparing a Greek dish, spanakopita. Hopefully I got that right. And let's take a look. There's the spinach, some eggs, the recipe, onion, garlic. This is one of my favorite gadgets, discovered this by Alton Brown. Basically, you preset this just several different ways to how much you need. You fill up this, and then you push it out. Good things for like cottage cheese, which is in this dish. And we got some Parmesan. Yes, I don't pressure grate mine. I'm a little lazy. And some ground nutmeg. So what are you cooking today? Let me know. Let the group know. What are you cooking? And don't forget to sign up for the next 3-ingredient challenge where you, the members, will be cooking 3 ingredients that have been suggested by the group and myself. Those ingredients will be coming out next week. Okay? So have a great day, eat some great food, and have fun cooking. Bye.